VaporBright Crawlspace Installation Guide. We'll show you step-by-step how to encapsulate and waterproof a crawlspace with the VaporBright system. Begin by measuring the wall height and add 12 inches to that measurement. This will be the length of the VaporBright liner to cut from the roll. The VaporBright liner comes in a 12-foot wide roll folded in half. We recommend working in 12-foot wide sections across the crawlspace to avoid waste during installation. Apply the double-sided VaporBright butyl tape at the top of the wall to adhere the VaporBright liner, leaving the protective wrap in place. Drill holes through the butyl tape into the concrete at 3-foot centers for placement of the nylon fasteners. Now remove the protective wrap from the butyl tape and apply the VaporBright liner over top. Next, install the VaporBright nylon expansion fasteners into the pre-drilled holes to secure the VaporBright liner. Apply the white pressure-sensitive VaporBright tape along the seams between liners to seal and secure. Once the walls are fully covered, you can install the BaseShield dimple drainage mat over the floor. The matting provides a durable subfloor beneath the VaporBright liner and aids in drainage. Next, install the VaporBright liner across the crawlspace floor. Measure and cut liner to length, ensuring you have an additional 12 inches to overlap the walls. Apply double-sided butyl tape 12 inches above the floor. Align the top edge of the VaporBright liner and secure to butyl tape. Apply the white pressure-sensitive VaporBright tape along the seams between liners to secure together and create a finished gas-tight seal. The result is a clean, bright white, fully encapsulated and waterproof crawlspace with the VaporBright system. Visit waterproof.com to order your products today.